Hi everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a beginner's tutorial on SurferSEO. Essentially, I'm going to be breaking down why you should be using SurferSEO to begin with. I'll also be walking you through SurferSEO's most prominent features, and of course, the keyword research and content creation using this tool. So without much further ado, let's get this video started. Now, for the majority of people, they completely ignore SurferSEO simply because they don't know the value in it. However, after experience, I can assure you that there is significant amount of value in several ways for your content creation especially. SurferSEO helps you with keyword research and data-driven content optimization. It can help you find the right keywords as it analyzes top ranking pages for your target keywords, providing insights into what actually ranks. So you will get suggestions on primary keywords, secondary keywords, word count, ideal heading structure, and so much more. I must also mention the content editor, as you could write content directly within the Surfer interface with real-time feedback on how well you're using keywords and related terms based on competitor analysis. On top of that, you could use it for backlink analysis and strategy to find opportunities. So it could help you identify potential sites for backlinks based on your target keywords and the sites currently linking to those top-ranking competitors. So if you're a blogger, content marketer, or an SEO agency, then this tool is an absolute must-have. This tool also leverages advanced AI technology to create optimized content from scratch. However, the way that works best for me is that if I use it to supplement my own writing. Now let's talk about the most prominent feature here, the content editor. This one is a unique selling point of SurferSEO and the compelling reason why you'll want to sign up for a paid account. With the content editor, you can take your existing content and optimize it to absolute perfection, ensuring that it's fully aligned with your target keywords, ranking factors, and best practices. The process is very simple yet incredibly powerful. You import your existing content from a URL, and then SurferSEO will provide you with an in-depth analysis and actionable suggestions for improvement. From adding missing keywords and phrases to optimizing your content structure, headings, and everything else, the content editor will guide you every step of the way. Imagine having an entire team of expert SEO consultants working on your content. This will help boost your visibility and impact tremendously. And trust me when I say this, after witnessing the incredible results firsthand, this tool alone is worth the subscription fee. Once you've started using it, you will notice how your content starts soaring up the search engine rankings. But SurferSEO does not just stop at content optimization, it also offers the previously mentioned keyword research tool and content creation, ensuring that you have a solid foundation to build your SEO strategy upon. Starting with the keyword research tool, it is a treasure trove of valuable data. It allows you to uncover profitable keywords and more that align with your target audience's search intent. With this tool, you'll be able to make informed decisions about the content you create and then increase your chances of success in any competitive niche. Especially with the AI-assisted content writing feature, which can be a game changer for those who struggle with writing process or simply want to streamline their workflow. Again, I personally prefer writing my own content and then optimizing it with the content editor, but this tool can still be a valuable asset for those who prefer to leverage the power of AI. And of course, there is more. In addition to the core features we've discussed, SurferSEO also provides a comprehensive suite of tools to help you stay ahead of the game. You've got the audit tool, as you can get a detailed analysis of your existing content, identifying areas for improvement, missing elements, and opportunities to optimize for better rankings. Additionally, there is the SERP analyzer. You can study your competition and gain valuable insights into the search engine results page, empowering you to make data-driven decisions and outmaneuver your rivals. These additional tools round out the SurferSEO package that provide you with all the tools necessary in order to dominate the search engine rankings. And that will be our initial take on SurferSEO. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what your thoughts are of this tool in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.